Hi, this is Robin with Heirloom Roses.
I'm Alina with Heirloom Roses.
I'm Kelly with Heirloom Roses.
If you're short on space and need a rose that will do well in a pot, I highly recommend Lagerfeld. This beautiful grandiflora has silvery lavender blooms, and she's a quick grower, topping out around 4 foot by 4 foot, so make sure you get her a really large pot. I grow her in a bed at my house, and she thrives there too, so no matter where you plant her, she's going to do great.
Are you looking for a rose that you can add to a container? Well, in that case, Blue Girl is my personal favorite this month. In nature, it is near impossible to get a flower that is a true blue, but if you're looking for something very close, Blue Girl is your choice. It is a wonderful purple color, and it goes really well with my other personal favorite, which is the perennial lavender.
One of my favorite collections of roses to recommend for people that are looking for container roses is the Veranda collection. This collection was created by Cortis Roses, and it was created because they wanted to create roses that had almost an English garden feel to them, but still maintained a compact, manageable size. Of this collection, one of my favorites is the Veranda Lavender. This beautiful lavender floribunda comes in a compact size of 3 by 3, which is just a really manageable size for any garden or a container that you might be wanting to use it in. And this rose has these beautiful flushes of these clusters of purple roses that they're just so adorable. I love them so much.